Hey loves, welcome back to my channel for another clean with me. Today I will be doing an all-day cleaning. Lately I have been taking care of other things like baby shopping and just getting ready for the baby, and my house is just super messy. I want to take the time to thank you all so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I have so much excitement going on with a new baby boy on the way, and you guys just added so much more joy with all the love and support. Never in a million years did I expect 1,000 subscribers, and so fast. I am just so overwhelmed with joy. I want to have a giveaway for you guys, but it will probably be after the baby arrives. But it will happen, and I am going to try my hardest to create better content for you all. You guys, I am just seriously blessed. I literally have butterflies. Thank you all so much.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So I was going to finish my Q&A today, but I had some people ask me for advice on how to start a YouTube channel from your iPhone 6. So throughout this video, I will be giving you the best advice I know from my experience. So the very first thing I did before starting my channel was YouTubed how to film from my iPhone 6. Do as much research as possible. There are so many videos out there that will help you and show you how to use your camera. It's amazing.
Ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for your baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed.
Second thing that I did was I ordered a tripod off of Amazon. They have really good affordable ones. If you are starting from your iPhone or any phone, make sure you get one with a phone holder and not a camera holder.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Vicious presenting.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah.
Another thing you want to research is SEO. I had no idea what this was when I started my YouTube channel. Not until I watched Lynn White's video on starting a YouTube channel in 2019. Thank God I did, because it helped me so much. I'm going to leave her link to that video in the description box down below.
When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
I just realized you couldn't see what I was showing you, but they are Rae Dunn bibs, you guys. They are so stinking cute. Who else is like me and gets super excited to go through baby stuff and wash baby clothes? I just really enjoy it.
For too long, I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Another thing you're going to want to research is hashtags and tagging. They are not the same. I made that mistake. I wish I would have known the difference when I first started my channel.
Inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. If I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah.
Some apps that you're going to want to download on your phone are TubeBuddy, YouTube Studio, Fonto, Canva, and you're going to want to study those apps.
Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All night long, we're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale, dreaming about summer nights with you. Sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday.
got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years.
I really hope this helps someone wanting to start a YouTube channel from their phone or just in general. It is a lot of work. It takes me probably 2 to 3 hours, sometimes longer, just to edit. That's not filming. But in the end, when you're inspiring and motivating people, it's all worth it. If anyone has any questions or needs advice, please feel free to message me on Instagram. I'll leave my info in the description box down below. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you're new, I would love for you to consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. As always, you guys, have a wonderful day.
So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell, I really wonder how did it come to this. Go see my friends, but then I realize they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this? I'm loving the heat, I think I'm losing it.